My name is Annalee Balsingh and I am the face behind Exquisite Details by Anna. I am a self-taught Trinidadian based henna artist and I've always had the passion for anything art related, especially henna, which is also known as Mehndi. I vividly remember at the age of 6 I was introduced to it, but I was too young to fully understand it. However, I was reintroduced to it at the age of 14 where I thoroughly learned about it. I continued pursuing it and it became my main profession. Each year, I look forward to adorning my client's skin with beautiful freehand designs for Diwali. I also look forward to weddings, Eid, and Carnival. What can I say? Passion is energy, and henna excites me. From henna, I had the opportunity to extend my talents and services. I designed beautiful freehand floor paintings known as rangolis. Rangolis are popularly known to be floor decors during Diwali, weddings, or any other occasion. It is an art form which originated in the Indian subcontinent and can be created using colored rice, rangoli powder, or paint. To me, rangolis tend to bring life to your floors. What can I say? I love what I do and I try my best at it. Shortly, we have a preview of all my talents combined. But before we move on, I'd like to give a special thanks to Natasha of Trini Cooking with Natasha. Natasha, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me the opportunity to be featured. It means a lot and I appreciate it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the preview and always remember to stay safe and stay blessed during this time. Bye! like to give a special thanks to my model Nandita, who is also a nail technician and the founder and creator of Ma's Little Secret here in Trinidad. Thank you Nandita, and thank you Natasha.